What's up, witches? I'm Allie the Bronx Witch, and welcome back to my channel, where you are the magic and where I make videos about Wicca the religion, witchcraft the practice, and tarot. And in this Magic Mondays video, I'm going to be showing you how I made the blue moon milk that I incorporated into last week's new moon ritual. I posted a picture of my blue moon milk on my Instagram page, so definitely follow me on Instagram at BronxWitch. I included a recipe as well as some information about moon milk. But what you need to know for now is that moon milk is a traditional Ayurvedic recipe that comes from India and that usually features cinnamon, honey, and warm cow's milk. It's drank before bed, and it's a wonderful recipe for inducing sleep, bringing on calm, and just generally getting cozy for bed. It's also a great beverage to incorporate into any type of moon ritual because a mug of milk, of course, relates to the moon for so many divine feminine reasons. So moon milk seemed like a good idea for my new moon ritual. I saw an awesome post by @mommypotamus on Instagram, and I'll post her information down below, that featured a blue moon milk recipe, and I wanted to make my own version. So to make my blue moon recipe, I'm starting off with a little bit of my Bye Bye Blues tea. Usually you could make blue moon milk with just butterfly pea flower, but since my Bye Bye Blues tea is blended to reduce anxiety, ease stress, and elevate your mood, and is made with butterfly pea, blue corn flour, yarrow, linden, and stevia, it seems like the perfect blend to use to make my moon milk. So I'm going to fill my little tea ball with about a tablespoon of the Bye Bye Blues blend. I try to keep my diet as close to vegan as possible, so I am using almond milk instead of cow's milk, and I have a cup of almond milk that I'm adding to a saucepan. I'm going to go ahead and add my herbal blend at the same time. And if you were making this with cinnamon and honey, or with any other variation that you came up with, such as ginger or turmeric, you would add all of those ingredients now. And you're going to let everything come up to a simmer for 5 to 10 minutes. As the butterfly pea flour, and to a lesser extent the blue corn flour, steeps in the milk, you're going to see the milk begin to change color and take on a blue hue. And the longer you steep it, the darker it will become. When your milk is nice and hot and the desired color, you can remove your tea ball. And as an optional step, you can froth your milk to make your moon milk sort of latte or cappuccino style. I decided to do this, and I'm using the frother I got in my mud water starter pack. Super convenient little frother. I definitely recommend looking into mud water. And I'm just gonna froth, froth, froth. And froth, froth, froth. And froth some more. And then I got a little carried away with the frothing, and I decided I needed to stop. If you're like me and you like a lot of froth, but you're working with a runny or thin milk, you can add a little bit of ghee or unrefined coconut oil to give you the thickness you need. And you're ready to serve. Moon milk is delicious and really good for you, but it's also a wonderful beverage to incorporate into any ritual that you're doing, but particularly rituals that have to do with the moon. It relates to divine feminine energy and is also a wonderful offering to many different deities, spirit guides, and perhaps even your own ancestors. So I encourage you to make a cup of moon milk either to enjoy or to incorporate into your magical practice. If you do, post it on Instagram and make sure to tag me in it @BronxWitch so that I can take a look. Thanks for checking out this week's Magic Mondays. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, make sure to give me a thumbs up. If you have any comments or questions, just leave them for me down below. And of course, subscribe, subscribe, subscribe. Click on the bell button so you're notified every time a new video comes out. You can follow me on Instagram @BronxWitch, and I will see you in the next video. Blessed be.